Deep in the northern jungle lies a place where the wildlife puts on its greatest show, where you can come eye to eye with some of the most mortal animals to ever walk our planet. This is Newcastle, and these are Geordies. Our journey starts here in the heart of Toon, an unforgiving environment where temperatures can fall well below freezing. These Geordies have gathered at a nearby watering hole. For some, it has been almost 24 hours since they last had something to drink. A few have even forgotten how. For now, they must feed. It is fast approaching night-time. They will need their strength. In a land where survival of the fittest rules, weakness does not go unnoticed. Almost immediately, there are power struggles within the herd. This is mating season, and here, in all its majestic beauty, is the mating dance. It appears to be working. Soon it is morning. The females are satisfied. The males are hungry. The natural order has been restored until the evening when the circle of life will begin again.